This is the introduction portion of the operator training video for the Hobart CLE Warewash machine. If you have any questions concerning operation, please consult your manual. CLE Warewashers by Hobart are a semi-automatic rack-type dish machine that moves the dish racks from one end of the machine to the other. The CLE Warewashers are available in a medley of optional lengths, sections, and features, which will provide for your specific needs. All CLE Warewashers have a microprocessor control module with digital temperature displays. For the purposes of this video, we will be using model CLEN. The following information will apply to most models. A few of the design features include automatic soil removal. ASR helps keep wash water cleaner for longer periods. Drain water energy recovery. This unique green feature reduces energy and water costs. The new control pad, including pot and pan mode. And new doors with ergonomic handles for kitchen workers of all heights. The integrated pump intake screen will keep debris out of the pump. The door-activated drain closure automatically seats the standpipe when the door is closed, establishing the correct tank water level. The auto-position rinse arms will consistently be properly seated, providing a consistent sanitizing rinse pattern. Autofill will fill the machine automatically and maintain the proper water level after the door has been closed and the power turned on. The auto timer starts the wash system when the first rack enters and shuts off the pumps and drive motors after the last rack exits. The machine will restart when a rack is slid in or the start key is pressed. The sloped screen and lift-out basket collect food debris and maintain cleaner wash water. Contact your local Hobart office for any repairs or adjustments needed on this equipment. This concludes the introduction to the Hobart CLEN. For more information, please click on one of our other videos.